Hello to all. In this video, I'm going to share how to copy data through VBA coding, how to paste them, and the last topic will be what are the different types of pastes that works in VBA. So this is our content for today. Let's see. This is the first part of today's video, and in the first part, I'm going to share how you can copy and paste the data. So for doing that, we will be copying this header from A1 till E1 and then we'll paste that in H1. Then we will copy the rest of the data and then we will paste this rest of the data below the copied header. So now let's go and see how the coding can be done. Developer tab, Visual Basic. This will open the Visual Basic editor for me. I've already inserted a module. That module name is module 1. Let's create some more space. So before writing the code, we need to give a name. So the name starts with sub space and then let's give a relevant name, that is copy paste and hit enter. So this is my first method to show you how you can copy paste. So let me put a comment here, method 1. So now I need to define the range or the location which should be copied, that is range A1 till E1. So this is the range which I want to copy. So dot copy. So this line of code, this code will copy the data for me. And now I need to define where it should paste. So I want it to paste in H1. So starts H1 dot paste special, and then you can hit space. Once you hit this space, you can see different options are popped up. So you can this all are different type of pastes: paste value, paste validation, paste formula, format. So I just want to paste simple paste, that is paste all. So I will hit tab to select this and hit enter. So this is the code. You can copy paste your data. So now let's run and test this, that the code is working or not. So function, so you can check this by F7. I'm sorry, it's F8. So you can press F8, and as you can see, as this code gets executed, it has copied the data, specified data, and now I need to paste that in H1. So now you just execute and you can see it has copied the data from A1 till E1 and it has pasted in H1. So this is how you can copy paste your data. So this is the first method how you can copy. Now I'll be showing you that how you can copy paste in other. So this is the first paste. So we can also paste the data by recommending that H1 dot select. Now we can say that selection dot paste special Excel paste all. So as you can see, during this codes the syntax didn't appear, or it didn't give us any intelligence where we can select. So this is one of the disadvantages of using this coding, that range select then selection dot paste special. You don't get the intelligence. So I've done a spelling mistake, that is paste, paste. So now let's check this codes, it's working or not. We'll remove this first, and now we will checking that this second method which we are trying, it is working or not. Paste, and let me give a comment for this as well. Method 2. So the copy method is as simple as that, as written here. and the paste one will is a bit different. So now let's go and test this. Just copy the data. It has pasted as we had specified it. So there is no difference in the execution of the codes for this paste, or you select the paste which we do here. So this is all about copy and paste of the header. Now we will be pasting the rest of the data, that is rest of the data as. Let's remove this so that we can execute it once again. And now I'll be writing code how to copy the rest of the data. So range, that is A2 comma range A2 dot end excel to write dot select. So if you have seen, okay, I think I missed one bracket here. So if you have seen my previous videos, there I have shared how to use the end function. So by this we will be selecting the entire A1 till E1, sorry, A2 till E2, and then now the below codes now which I'm going to write will select the rest of the data till bottom. So range selection comma selection dot end excel down and close the braces dot copy. So these two line of codes will copy the entire data. So how it will work, let me just show you. That is, it will select this and then it will be selecting the rest of the data till here. So now let's go and execute this. Just copied the header and it has pasted the header, and it has copied the rest of the data. As you can see, it has selected copied rest of the data. There is dotted border around that, and in the next line of codes we will be writing how to paste this data. So now let's write the code to paste the data, that is h2 dot paste special excel all. So now let's execute this line of codes once again. So as you can see, this is already pasted there, and now it will select the rest of data and it will paste there. Now you can see it has pasted the rest of the data here. Let's create some more space for the net sales. Okay, so this is how it will paste the data. So this is paste special for you. Similarly, if you want to use copy paste value especially for formulas, so let's go to the sheet 2017 sales. For example, you can see here there is a formula here, sum formula, which sums up the 2017 sales. I want this to paste value so that no formula is appeared here. So for this I can do that by, let's write another subroutine, that is paste value 2017 sales. Now I need to define the range with what it should copy, that is E20 dot copy. Now I need to paste special value this data. So range E20 dot paste special, and now you can select paste special value. So this is, press tab and hit enter. So this line of code will copy paste special value to the sum formula. Let's execute this. So it has copied the formula, and now it should paste special value and remove the formula. So as you can see, it's not, formula is not appearing on the formula bar. So this is how the copy paste special or copy paste value or copy paste all works in Visual Basic for application.